Hey guys, this is the Jabra Evolve2 75. This is a quick unboxing and getting started guide. Note that this is the USB-A version. I'm going to show you in a moment what that means. In the box we have the headset. It comes in this soft traveler's pouch. The Evolve75, the previous model came in a hard box, so I kind of prefer that. And everything what you get in here is just a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the headset, and then you have this USB-A dongle for your computer. So in this USB-A version you get the USB-A dongle, and in the USB-C version you get the USB-C dongle. The charging cable is always for USB-C, so the headset has a USB-C port for charging. It has these stickers on here, so just go ahead and remove those, and then all the quick start information is on the box cover. So what you need to do is hold down the power button towards the USB signal to turn it into USB pairing mode. Then you just regularly go into your smartphone settings to pair it up. So now we see the blue. After you have set the device in pairing mode, you go into your USB settings and find the device and choose pair. And anyhow, on the iPhone it will say that there is a Jabra Sound Plus app which you can go ahead and download, and you have some configuration settings in there. It also gives you some additional quick start information, but the kind of basic operation of the device is also explained here on the cover. So you have a button for hear through and ANC, so turning the noise cancellation is here above the power button. And then here on the other side you have a volume up button, volume down, and play pause button. And here on the side we have a button for answering or ending a call, and the microphone boom arm is over here, so you just pull that down to unmute it, and when you push it up it mutes itself. And then there's also on the boom arm there's a button here, so when you have the boom arm extended and it's unmuted, you can press on this button to mute or unmute. It also has charging pins here on the side, so there's an optional charging stand. This is the non-charging stand version, so it's not included in this. But battery life is quite good, so using the USB-C connector for that is just fine in my opinion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. If you're interested in more tech related videos, go check out this one next. Thanks for watching.